Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. तो गाइज आज की वीडियो है माई PR अनबॉक्सिंग हॉल पार्ट 2। अगर आपने इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट नहीं देखा है, गो वॉच इट राइट नाउ। द लिंक विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो। गो गिव इट अ वॉच। बट इफ यू डू नॉट ऑलरेडी नो दैट आई एम अ यूट्यूबर ऑफ कोर्स एंड अ नैनो क्रिएटर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ कोलैबोरेशंस एंड यू सी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम। सो वो सब चलता रहता है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई रिसीव अ लॉट ऑफ PR ऑन अ डेली बेसिस। सो आई वांटेड टू शेयर विद यू गाइज कि विच ब्रांड्स आई हैव वर्कड विद वेरी रिसेंटली। बहुत सारे गाइज ब्रांड्स ऐसे ब्रांड्स हैं विच आई नेवर थॉट आई विल बी एबल टू वर्क विद देम, बट with my hard work and my dedication in content creation I have achieved that। and also wanted to say कि आप लोग भी अचीव कर सकते हो। don't ever think you know कि हमको ऐसा मिलता है for free और हम लोग बस काम वाम करते रहते हैं। it's not that, you have to work consistently on your pages, be on Instagram or on YouTube। so yeah, without any further ado guys, let's get into the video। सबसे पहले let's start with my favorite, that is Etude House। yes guys, I have worked with Etude House and I'm so grateful। I had a lot of fun working with this brand। so basically if you do not already know that Etude House is a Korean brand and I recently visited Korea। so वहाँ जाके I created content for them in Korea, so it was a lot of fun। let me show you कि what they sent me। I had to create a makeup look for them, so I have a lot of Etude House makeup products। पहला है I have their cookie blush। this is super cute and ये ऐसे खुलता है and this comes with a very cute puff if you can see। and उसको ऐसे लेके ऐसे पूरा अपने फेस पे लगा सकते हो। it is super cute। ये इन्होंने मुझे फर्स्ट ये भेजा था। then they also sent me a fixing tint। ये इनका काफी famous fixing tint है। I showed this one in my last favorites also। I love this tint a lot। this is the very famous water tint। this is a spot on dupe for the benefit tint and this one also I got from them। like literally मेरे सारे restock हो गए and I literally love all of these products। then they also sent me a eyebrow pencil। this is a really good pencil। मैंने ये आज भी लगाई है। it is very easy to blend। this comes with a spoolie on an end product आता है। I also got a eyeliner from them। this is very nice। this is a new launch that they have, that is their mascara। this is their curl fix mascara। this is also very cute। इनकी जो packaging is very pink। I love it। in terms of skincare they sent me these two products। first is their sunscreen। this is the collaboration Sonjung। this is also Korean brand and I also got their emulsion है। this is their again Sonjung Etude 10 free moist emulsion। this is how it looks। it's a really good soothing moisturizer। this is also really good। this is all that I got from Etude House। I am forever grateful for all these collaborations। I literally love all of these brands a lot। then I collaborated with Defi Beauty for their face palette blender and a lipstick। so this is their very famous PH80 palette। this is literally a palette for everything। this has a powder, a blush, a contour, 2 highlighters and a bronzer। so this is like an all-in-one palette for you। and they sent me their very famous lip suede lipsticks। this one is the shade Cinnamon। I literally love this one a lot। this is how it looks। this is a perfect shade for Indian skin tone। their newest launch is a beauty blender। this is their buddy blender if I'm not wrong। this is how it looks। I already use this one a lot। ये बहुत अच्छा है। also when you soak it तो ये बहुत बड़ा बन जाता है and it's easy to blend everything। the next brand that I have is Flossy Cosmetics and if you don't already know that their lip glosses are amazing guys and I collaborated with 2 of their lip glosses। so both of them are right here। the first one is in the shade called Strawberry Jam। this is their Get Glazed lip gloss and this is a tinted lip gloss, like a pure pink lip gloss। I love it। then I have their Get Glazed another lip gloss in the shade Diamond Paste। like अगर आपके पास आपकी favorite lipstick है and you want to make that glossy because this is a clear gloss, so ऊपर से लगा लो and you're good to go। so I love both of them। then later this time I collaborated with Within Beauty and they are a skincare brand, a very famous Gen Z kind of a packaging if you can see। they have sent me 2 of their products। the first one is their calming drops। these are really good for sensitive skin type and they repair like skin barrier। the next that I have is their sleep mask। this is their calming sleep mask, really good for acne skin and if you have like breakouts उसके लिए काफी अच्छा है। both of these products are for sensitive skin type। the next brand that I have is House of Makeup। I never thought कि मैं इनके साथ कभी भी काम करूंगी, never, but I'm working with them। I'm so grateful and they have sent me their best sellers। this one is their skin tint, a very famous skin tint। Malvika Satlani talks a lot about this one and this is literally very skin like। I am working with them right now, absolutely loving this skin tint। then I have their lightweight matte lipstick। this is how it looks। this is also a really very pretty shade, a very nice mauvey shade। this is in the shade guys, by the way, Spiced Latte। this is really good। both of these products are very lightweight and perform really well। so the next brand that I have is Dot & Key and they have sent me 3 of their very famous moisturizers। if you can see I have all of these। this is their hydrating gel। this is how it looks। The second one that I have is their Cica and Niacinamide moisturizer. This one, these two. And lastly is their vitamin C moisturizer. So these three that I have, and I feel like a lot of these are gonna go in a giveaway also, which is coming very soon. So the next brand that I have, I never ever thought guys कि मैं कभी इनके साथ collaborate, क्या मतलब मैं बात भी करूंगी, and that is Love Child by Masaba. I'm literally shocked that I'm working with them, but they were really kind enough to send me a lot of things. And if you can see my dream PR, basically my dream PR, and in this I have their Skip Everything skin tint, or really like their newest edition. This is literally their newest edition. I'm loving this one a lot. Like I still have to shoot for them, but I've seen these products 1,000 times. Literally I've opened this package 1,000 times because I can't believe it. Then I have their Band Baja blush, a very famous blush. This is in the shade, by the way guys, Shocking Sharbat. Then again one of their recent launches, and that is their Lip Gelato. This one, this is in the shade Guava Glitz. This is how it looks guys. It's so pretty. This is a very nice mauvey color. Lastly is their bestseller lipstick in the shade Meetha. This is really cute, and the packaging is quite quirky and very desi. The next brand that I have is Milagro Beauty, and I am working with them for their concealer. I have the concealer and the concealer brush. So I have heard that the concealers are really amazing and they blend really well. Next brand that I have is Wish Care. Again, I never thought that I'll be able to work with them ever in my life, but here we are, and I'm working with them in their sunscreen body lotion. This is a really good body lotion for, you know, these summer days जहाँ पे इतनी चिपचिप हो रही है. This is literally perfect for like an everyday thing. I'm working with them on their niacinamide sunscreen. This is a really water-like sunscreen. This blends in no time, and this is really good. If you want to see a full-on review about these, go over to my Instagram and check them out. The next brand that I have is Plix. I'm working with them on their deep pigmentation wala range. This is their deep pigmentation juicy cleanser. This is their serum, and this is their moisturizer. So all of this is together. The packaging is very cute. Like literally लग रहा है जैसे वो नहीं होता, like a very gift box kind of a packaging. I recently collaborated with a jewelry brand as well. This is Jade Studio, and I have worked with them. Jewelry is so dainty and so pretty. This is a bow chain. I love this one. Also have these bow earrings. If you can see them, this is so cute. If you want to see the entire reel, go over to my Instagram and watch it right now. So lastly, I've worked with an international brand called Promise Beauty. They are a New York based brand which is now available in India. So I received 3 of their products. First one is their tinted sunscreen. This is the Beyond Tinted Sunscreen. Then I have their face wash. This is their one-step balanced face wash. And lastly, I have their serum. This is the vitamin C serum, and this is how it looks. And I also collaborated for UGC for Formula RX. They are also a very good skincare brand. I worked with them for their vitamin C serum and also their retinol serum, both of these. And yeah guys, with that we come to an end to this video. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I really hope that you're motivated, you know, to work as a content creator if you are looking for it. You always have to remember that be strong, be consistent, and you know, hard work is the key to everything. So don't stop making content. अगर आपको लगता है कि you know आपको कोई नहीं देख रहा, but you still have to put your efforts to get recognized and to see those results. So don't ever be disheartened and never feel low कि आपको कोई कुछ देख नहीं रहा है, you know आप काम नहीं कर पा रहे, nobody is recognizing you. ये सब मेरे को भी आने में guys बहुत टाइम लगा है, over 3 years now, and now that I'm able to work with all these brands, and I'm so grateful to you guys, you know, that you're always supporting me and always loving me. Thank you for hitting 2K subscribers on YouTube guys. I'm forever grateful to you guys. अगर आप नहीं होते तो मैं यहाँ पे नहीं होती, and I would not be working with all of these brands ever in my life. I never take you guys for granted even for a second, because I know मैं यहाँ पे हूँ because of you. A giveaway is gonna come very soon, so stay tuned on all of my posts on Instagram and on YouTube. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Never been to California, never